Hi guys, so today I am still here with Ali from the video earlier. But we had so much fun doing that go-kart video. It's like a go-kart, but we've been hanging out like all day. We had to leave the birthday party because the surprise is there. Okay, the dog. That was cringe, but we're in the car right now. We just got pizza. And I think my mom and brother are already back. Oh, wait, is that the car right there? Isn't that it?
This is my car.
Yeah, I know, the Honda.
Well, where do you see the Honda?
It's right there. Doesn't that look like the
Honda, but that's slack.
Oh. I thought that was brown. Well, anyways, so we're gonna be home in a minute or two. Ah! So yeah, be right there. Okay, so we just got back. We're in the neighborhood right now.
Ali could come. That's it. Nobody else.
Nobody else. Okay, so it's gonna be posted the next day that I made it probably, but I have no idea because my friends have a YouTube. Oh my, wait, no, wait, they're not there. Oh, we're here for them, I think. Oh no, they're there. Oh my god. Ah! Okay, so I just got in a few minutes ago. I had to say hi first. My other dogs are outside. And you ready?
I guess just like American.
His name is Rocky. He's a boy. He's a boxer. He's adorable.
No.
He has an exclamation point on him, and he's adorable. He's coming up to you guys.